Now we'll be moving to our third part of our third session. That will be related to or focused on the Islamic countries that are members of the ICESCO. The session will feature performance across these countries with an aim to identify common factors that are unique policy efforts that are associated with improving education in this system. These countries must have some extent these countries must have to some extent similar context and might learn from each other. Dr. Ahmed Sayed Ould, who has been an instinctive background in education sector, will moderate the session. He was the head of the Secretariat of the Executive Council and General Conference, Director for the Federation of Universities of the Islamic World, Chief of Staff, Director of the Culture, and Director of the Cooperation and External Relations within ICESCO. Now he's the advisor of the Director General for the Partnership and International Cooperation at ICESCO. Dr. Ahmed, please, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. And I'm really pleased and honored to join this very, very important webinar, and also to be part of this particular session and moderated with eminent researchers and academicians and really reference resource person for this session. As you can see, our program is really very well built. We started with the global orientations from Their Excellencies, the Chairman and the Director General of ICESCO. And then we had, of course, the first session with the eminent, of course, education sort of reference, Mr. Andreas Schleicher. And then we had the global case studies. Okay. And we listened really to very rich and fruitful papers and presentations from the participants. So now we come to, as you said, more focused sort of scope, and specifically the ICESCO member states, where we will highlight sort of the experience, the practices, and also the data and information about the assessment mechanisms, policies, and how to improve these national assessment systems and how to enhance the learning outcomes. So I think that it is a very complementary program where you move from one level to another, and then you end up with concrete cases from also different parts of the world.